Let's divide 466 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. Let's keep exploring numbers together. Ready to divide 466 by 2? Let's start with the first digit, 4. We'll bring down the 4 to start our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It's 2. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0. Easy peasy. Awesome, you're doing fantastic. Now let's bring down the next digit, 6, for our next step. Next up we have 6. Let's see how many times 2 goes into 6. We bring down the 6, making our new number 6. How many times does 2 fit into 6? You got it, it's 3. Let's multiply 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract 6 from 6 and the remainder is 0. You're on a roll, keep up the great work. Time to bring down the last digit, 6, for our final step. Last one, we have the digit 6. Let's divide it by 2. We bring down the final 6. Our number is 6 again. How many times does 2 go into 6? It's 3. Check our work. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract 6 from 6 and we have 0 left. We're done. You did it, finishing strong is the best. We've divided 466 by 2. Our answer is 233. We found that 466 divided by 2 is 233. Great job, everyone! We successfully divided 466 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like solving a puzzle and you're all amazing puzzle solvers. Woohoo, you crushed it! Keep practicing and you'll become division superstars. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.